RS6 RS. What does that even mean? RS meaning Rennsport is the pinnacle of what Audi is capable of, combining outstanding performance, detailed aggressive styling, yet comfort and refinement when you sit down and feel all of the high-quality materials sort of wrap themselves around you. Your typical modern Audi RS product is fairly simple. You get a gorgeously styled car with fantastic aesthetics, interior and exterior. And most important of all, you get what essentially is a weekend track car underneath all of it. Quattro GmbH manufactures these cars, and they put the best of their best into it, such as big powerful brakes, advanced suspension, and the biggest difference of all from an RS to a regular model: the engine, with a range of 400 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, up to a 605 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8, with a turbocharged inline 5 and twin-turbo V6 in between. It all started back in the early 1990s when Audi and Porsche worked together and the first RS was born. The RS2 was, in a nutshell, an Audi 80 Avant that had a big turbo, some internal work to the engine done, and quite a few Porsche helpings. But it worked very well, actually. The RS2 was a turbo inline 5 that produced 315 horsepower delivered through a 6-speed manual gearbox, rocketing the car from 0-60 in about 4.8 seconds. If only then, in 1994, had the mad scientists at Quattro GmbH known what was coming. White fenders, the notable brushed aluminum SRS mirrors, huge 14.4-inch drilled front rotors hugged by 8-piston calipers surrounded by 18-inch wheels that had 255/40 tires wrapped around them. Even if you are unfamiliar with the RS6 and see it as an ordinary car, as soon as you open the door you may be slightly in awe, for the interiors of these are still impressive by today's standards. The headliner looks and feels to be suede, which it essentially is, just in synthetic form. Then as you look around you take a look at the interior trim, and also, for example, mine has a carbon fiber trim, but there was also a wood option exclusive to the RS6 which I cannot think of the name of it right now. A solar panel. People may question why it's there, and think that it's dumb or useless, which the function is extremely clever actually. On a warm sunny day, if you're about to go into the store and you don't want to have the car be blistering hot when you come back in, simply tilt the sunroof up and turn the car off, and you'll start to hear airflow. Yes, the solar panel on the sunroof powers the blower motor to help circulate hot air out of the car. No, it does not really make that much of a difference due to the fan blowing at extremely low speeds, but that's beside the fact. It is a very neat feature included in the car, and I had never heard of such a thing until I got mine. Still crazy to think that's 2003 technology. But looking on the inside of this car, it just looks like your everyday high-end luxury car that is alright in speed, but made mainly for comfort and aesthetics. That is true to a point, but then the car is turned over and fires up. So far this ultimate sleeper will run you with more speed, passion as a dream car. See you again on the next review videos.